Hey girl, hey. Thanks for coming to check out the video. Today we are getting into something new, SHEIN's Beauty. I have never tried SHEIN Beauty, so I was very excited to give their products a try. I started out with two different types of lashes. I checked out some of their beauty blenders, their beauty brushes, as well as their makeup cases, as well as a makeup organizer. So thank you so much, SHEIN, for sending over these items, and definitely stay tuned. I'm going to give you guys a quick little tutorial on how I use these and how I set this up in my beauty space. Now, I made sure to include the listings on SHEIN because when I saw these prices, I felt like they were a little too good to be true. But the products did come in very nice. Like, the products were a good, decent quality for such a low price. I mean, some items were a dollar 50. You know, everything was under $5 or $6. And so I was very skeptical, but I was pleasantly surprised when I started, unboxing these items and when I actually started using them on my face and my nails. So this brush set was the second most expensive thing I got, coming in around $6. The set was great. It literally has everything you need to do your makeup in this one set. I highly recommend this one. The color is nice. The quality of the brushes is very soft. They don't have a smell and they work really nicely. And of course, the press on nail queen, myself. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I do a whole rack of press ons over there. It's like my biggest thing that I do on my Instagram and my TikTok. Yeah, check that out. But your girl had no idea press ons were so cheap on SHEIN. These press ons are giving Amazon a run for their money. Only thing I had to check was quality. So definitely stay tuned for when I tried out these press ons on my actual nails. And last but not least, the highest ticket item that I purchased, that was sent to me, $13.80. This white makeup organizer. I was able to organize every single item that I got in this beauty haul in this organizer. I absolutely love this organizer. It comes in three colors, I believe. Obviously, I got white. White is my favorite, thing to purchase nowadays. I'm like super into white and rose gold. So I definitely love this organizer. I will be putting this and have already put this to good use. I definitely recommend it. It's lightweight, but it definitely does the trick if you're looking for something affordable that will just get your makeup organized quickly and, out of the way. So I did put on two different nail sets for you guys just so you could see my top two favorite nails in action. I really love how these nails came out. I did jazz them up with some more rhinestones and some bling. I feel like that just gives that extra salon touch to a pair of cheap, affordable nails. Now these nails were definitely cheap, but they didn't look cheap and they definitely didn't feel cheap either. I definitely grabbed some lashes. I did grab the wispy ones. Now these ones definitely have more of a plasticky feel than like a soft velvety feel, but they definitely get the job done. Are they my favorite? Probably not. But I did love the fluffier ones, the bigger, fluffier ones. They felt really soft and less plastic. Now, this little blotting black little blotting triangle I used to take some of the moisture and oil off of my skin did an amazing job. Then I grabbed the beauty blender and added some water just to blend out my concealer, and I thought the blender did a great job. It was definitely soft and moved my concealer into place really nicely. Now this powder puff, I used the pink powder puff to apply my finishing powder and my under eye setting powder. This did a great job. I love how that triangle just gets right into the corner of your eye and right onto the sides of your nose and puts the powder perfectly in place. As you can see, I was loving this brush. It's so fluffy. It dusted the powder away so nicely and soft. I was very impressed. I love, love, love this brush set. It applied my blush beautifully. I think the brush set was the winner. I absolutely loved this set. And for $5, you guys, like, who could ask for more? All in all, this skeptic right here definitely turned my mind around just because the prices are affordable. The products are still good, and I would definitely recommend them. Definitely check out all the links down below to everything I showed. Everything will be linked to SHEIN. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you're subscribed. Bye.